Hey everyone, okay, so I'm going to share with you another Diamond Art Club. I always want to say DAC because that's what it is DAC. Whenever I talk to my husband, I got another DAC painting, and we already know it's Diamond Art Club. And it's fun because my husband is learning all the terminology of diamond painting. So I already, I didn't open it, but I took it out of the box. That way we could save some time. And let's see what we got for here. I know we got 4 and 7 dime bags. So we have dime bags, and then we have 4 and 7 as far as the the placers, and then the little squeegee and the pin. So these fit in there if you guys didn't know. So you can use both sides. This is the heart is actual wax, and you have to peel off the side of it. So you have to peel off one side of it, and there's your wax before using it. And we have some washi. This one's a pretty one, really pretty. You put them on the sides if you want. Some tweezers. These are really good. These are really good tweezers. Really sharp. Can, you know, John Wick someone with it. So just a little FYI. So be careful with them around your kiddos. Let's see, and then we have the tray, which I never know how this goes in because I don't use these. These are not my thing, but they're cute. But I like the one that's a glitter clear one. And then they're phasing out these cover minders. People are not good sometimes, and they just were complaining. They're like, how do you, it's like people who craft, you can't figure out how to put a, they were always like, this thing fell off, the metallic fell, the metal fell off. How are you supposed to put it back together? It's junk. Oh my god, you know. So it's like, oh my gosh, you guys. Hot glue, super glue, E6000. Just, you know, come on. So, but it's just something to complain about, right? So now they phased them out. Now they're phasing them out. Now you no longer will get them. So good job. So you complain enough, and it only takes a few to ruin everything. So yeah. Oops, she's kebabs. She's kebabs. I totally forgot that there was drills inside. So they fell out of the hole. Okay, so let me move this out of the way. And let's go with this. We got graveyard goodies. Oh my goodness, how sweet are these? I love it. So, anything above a 150. I've been trying to pay attention to these videos because I don't have a good memory. So, but the lady was saying if you do anything above a 150, then they're specialized diamonds. So they're like an AB diamond. And then anything down below that's a Z is like a fairy dust, or another specialized one, a fairy dust, a glitter, a glow in the dark, something like that, right? Look at how these are so pretty. Another, okay, I have found for me my favorite designer for DAC is Randall Spangler. I love his little dinosaurs. Some people say they look like a lizard, so it could be a dino lizard. It's a, you know, whatever. I don't care. It's cute. I love it. And then they have the soft canvas. So let's open it and see what we get. Now I gotta tell you guys, I'm gonna laugh. You know, because people are funny. People are totally funny. They're so like outrageous. But I keep getting somebody who clicks on my videos, DAC only videos, clicks on these videos, watches the videos, and then gives a thumbs down. And I'm just like laughing because I'm like, dude, mental health, it's a thing. It really is. It's a thing. And you're just proving how much mental health problems there are out there, that you would watch a video and click dislike. And I'm like, that is just, what a time waster. I'm like, there are plenty of crafts, or read a book. There's a free library. There's something that you know, there is free counseling. There is free things out there that you can utilize that could help you. And I just feel so bad for these people that their life is so miserable that they click on videos that they don't even like. They don't want you to have DAC paintings. I don't know if it's jealousy because you can afford one. I don't know what it is, you guys, but it is mind-boggling, and it is hilarious. To me, it's hilarious because you are purposely thumbs downing a DAC video, and I'm like, wow, yeah, you're kind of you know, losing it, my friend. So, kind of weird. But look at how cute this is. So, I just wanted to let that person know. Get your thumbs down ready, because I got 38 more DAC videos to show. I buy 1 to 3 a week. And so, and that's not including, I guess, during Black Friday, they bring out 100. And then they have a great coupon code. So, yeah. So, just be prepared, you guys, that we are going to see a lot of hate. A lot of hate. Look at how just, I just like, oh, where do you even begin? Where do you begin to even, like, if you start bottom, you get all this goodness. And this is the cutest thing ever. But then if you start in the top, look at this, you get all this goodness. So it's like, where do you even begin? Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. This is so adorable. Rest in peace, Count Dracula. You can see everything. You can see the little mausoleums. Wow. And then they have their candy. So that's what this is. The witch is so cute. That's their candy bag right here. Oh my gosh, it's so adorable. And he's got a candy in his hand. And you can see all that in person right here, right now. I can see everything. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so let's see. There are 65 colors in this one. So see, this is your legend. So 65 colors. This shows you who, that it's licensed, and that it is by Randall Spangler. And so you put your washi around the edges here, because sometimes they have over glue. So I don't think this over glue is not the right way to say that, but whatever. So it's not overspray because it's not painting. So they have glue that has spread past the edges. How about that? Is that how we have to say that? Oh my gosh. And so yeah, so then we have to we have to see. Okay, now I am thinking, because I spent about an hour, you guys, putting these darn diamonds back into this bag and try to get it back into the box. And it is so unbelievably hard. I don't know how these other ladies are doing it. And so my last one I did, I was like, holy crud, I'm gonna be here forever. So I was rolling, unfolding, rolling, unfolding. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is killing me. But if you want to know, the bags come, let me see if it'll show you. Let me see, focus, let's see, will it focus? It has such a hard time grabbing, there it is, Graveyard Goodies. Okay, so it tells you on this bag that you have Graveyard Goodies. And on the box, it has 42715, which is this one right here, so it matches up. So what I'm thinking is I'm going to put these back in their sleeve, put them back in the box, but leave these separate because they're already labeled, so you won't lose them, you know what I mean? So I think that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to scoot you in, because it is so crazy how much I'm just, yeah, I'm like, this isn't working out. And then I'm holding it. Oh, hold on a sec. Okay, so let's see. Let's open it. These colors are so pretty. Look at all the purples. Look at that, you guys. Is that not beautiful? Okay, and this one is by itself, 3799. 379. Oh, look at it, so shimmery. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am absolutely, you guys, in love with diamond painting. In love with diamond painting. Like, I can't get enough of it. It is just so much fun, you guys. So much fun. It just, it's so relaxing. Oh, you get 2 of these. So I bet that's a pumpkin. You get 2 of those. So yeah, I bet these are pumpkins. Oh, look at that one. That's one of those ABs, the Aurora Borealis. Wow. Yeah. That's a hard one for me. So you got green. Oh my gosh. 2 640s. And then we have 301, 642, 2 729s. So the yellows and the oranges. And let's go. try and get the, okay, 310. So is that only one 310? And then we have 3776, 3855, 3347. Oh, look at this one. Z907. Oh, these are beautiful. And I will tell you guys, oh my gosh, my husband and I, we do this together, and I am in love with squares. Oh my gosh, there's just something about the dang snap. Oh, it just, what a nice little noise it makes when it snaps into place. Oh gosh, just, oh, I love it so much. You know, I love this so much, and since I've discovered it, I'm like, I can't wait to get home. So I only do it at nighttime, and I'm like, I can't wait to relax at night and then do this. And you can get lost in it for hours, you guys. Honestly, if it wasn't for like our necks or our back starting to hurt, we could probably, you know, do it all day long. But your back and your neck will eventually hurt, even if you're skinny and fit, because your body is, I'm sure, not used to doing that for 5 to 6 hours, right? Oh, look at how beautiful that is. You can see that shine. We are halfway done with the four crow horsemen, that Halloween one. We're halfway done. We should be done because my husband has some days off coming up, and we should be done by this weekend, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. I really can't. Oh, we get 2 of this one, 726. This one's beautiful. Oh my gosh. We're doing turkey time next, so this one's gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to have like a rotation because it's just so hard. It's just so hard because there's so many. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful turquoise one. That is beautiful. These have little bitties in them. Oh, look at that one. That's an AB right here. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, this one's also another AB. So nice, you guys. Oh, look at that one. That one's beautiful too, that green. I just love this. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am telling you, they're going to have some deals here for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So just sign up for their emails, you guys. And they have so many design team members that have coupon codes. And honestly, once you buy one, you get invited into the Facebook VIP group, and then you have a permanent discount code once you join that group. And it's wonderful. And then they also have like flash sales where or like a flash coupon, and I've already got one in the mail, and I already used it because I have like 8 coming, and I used that really good coupon on that. So there's always a coupon, you guys. So I'm gonna stress to you, never ever not use a coupon with DAC, because they make it where they want you to use a coupon because they have them everywhere. So even on their own website, they have a coupon code, and you do get free shipping after $75. So if there's a really good deal for Black Friday, I will try and buy one so I can give one away. So that way someone else can enjoy. In fact, I will promise you that I will buy one extra one on Black Friday to give one away on here for USA only, of course, because that's all I can afford is shipping for here. But I will buy one, and I will gladly give one away. I'll have a contest and stuff at the end of November, and I will ship it to you as soon as I get it. I don't know if I can pay for it and have it shipped to you. I don't know, maybe if I email them, because they have great customer service. But I will be buying one for it, because I think everyone should at least have one experience of DAC, because I am not buying anybody else but DAC. And yeah, so because I can't. It's just great. This stuff is so great. It really is. All right, guys. So that was it. So this was Graveyard Goodies, and I believe that is still in stock. And I think it was like between $50 and $70. So, but like I said, there's coupon codes and stuff. So, all right, guys. You guys take care. Have a good night, and you know. Thumbs up. Just kidding. I don't care. I just like. I just like sharing. So I like sharing. I don't worry about how many people watch or, you know, thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't really care about that stuff. I don't ask you to subscribe or anything like that, nor will I ever ask you to subscribe if you like my videos, nothing like that, because, you know, if you guys like it, you guys will, and I appreciate that. And so, hey, if you like what you see, good. You know, I'm happy because I love sharing with you guys. So we will talk to you all later. Bye.